Summertime is coming, and I know a lot of us are preparing for trips, family trips, solo trips. I'm going on a trip next weekend, and there is one thing I will not leave my house without. I am packing early. I am an early packer. I do not wait to the last minute because I know I'm going to leave something. If you are an early packer, drop it in the comments for me. I want to know. If you have summer trips already planned out with the family, solo trips, drop that in the comments. I want to know where you're going, where you're traveling to. I am going on a trip to Las Vegas. My sister lives there. I haven't seen her in a while, so that's where I'll be next weekend. But there is one thing for the past, I would say maybe 5 years, I have never traveled without. I think it is super important. Everyone should have one in their travel bag, no matter where you're going. If you're going to stay with family, if you're going to stay in a Airbnb, especially a place like that. If you are traveling international, it is super important that you have this one item with you. This one item could literally be a lifesaver. We're not talking about your curling iron or, your favorite pair of shorts or something like that. We're talking about something that could literally be life saving. And it is this small little compact item that never leaves my travel bags. I have two of them. I have one in this bag that I love this bag. And I travel with this bag pretty often, especially if it's a short trip. We'll talk about this bag on another video. But I keep this item in my bag, and I have another bigger bag that, when I'm traveling for a longer period of time, I have it in that bag so that I never leave it. And this is a carbon monoxide detector. It's battery operated. It is super sensitive. It will detect any levels of carbon monoxide in the room that you're staying in or a home that you're staying in. And it is super important that you have this. So this, I've had this forever. This little box is about to tear because I've had it so long. But what I do is I keep batteries in the box wherever I, go. And this also detects if your batteries are low. So this takes AAA batteries, 3 AAA batteries. And you can literally just sit it on the nightstand wherever you are, and it just gives you that peace of mind. So I keep 3 batteries. If my batteries are low, this will let me know that my batteries are low. And then when I get ready to go, I pop the batteries in here. So it's ready, like literally when I walk into whatever hotel, Airbnb I'm going to, it's already ready to detect. And I put the little back on here, and there you go. Now it starts counting down immediately from 30. So it's counting, it's detecting if there's any carbon monoxide in the room, in the home. And it's at 16, so it'll continue to count down. I don't know if you can see that. Um, and also here, if you want to just make sure your detector is working, has a little button right here. You just press that and you know your detector is good to go. The indicators here, the little light indicators, is what lets you know if your batteries are low. So if it looks like my batteries, if I get a little light indicator here, I'll put more batteries in my box, and I put this back in my bag. I never leave home without it. So this little thing is super important. I cannot stress enough. I don't think a lot of people talk about how important it is to travel with a carbon monoxide detector. I have one in my home, right? I'm sure you have one in your home. If you do not have one in your home, you need to get one. I know we all feel safe in our homes, but the little things, you have a smoke alarm, get a carbon monoxide detector. You just, I don't want to go somewhere. I don't want to travel somewhere and get choked out by carbon monoxide, right? So make sure you get one. This one is old. Again, I've had this for a few years, so I literally couldn't find this particular one on Amazon, but I will link a couple more in the description. So if you don't have one, click the link in the description, grab one, and take this on your trip with you wherever you go. Make sure you and your family are safe and secure, and you have peace of mind with just this one little item. Love you guys. Talk to you soon. Oh, make sure you are subscribing. I always forget to say that. Make sure you're subscribing to the channel. Make sure you are sharing this with someone, maybe another one of your family members that is traveling. Make sure you are sharing this with them, um, family, friends, and yeah, be part of the family, part of the community. Talk to you soon.